Kateri alternativni viri energije na področju potovanj nas čakajo v prihodnosti?
Batteries are the really exciting thing for most people use an automobile, and I see in the future there's certainly battery-powered automobiles, and that as that technology develops, it'll cross over into the aviation. So and people will have solar panels more and more, not necessarily mounted on their vehicles. It's not that practical to have solar cars on your car, for example. It's better to have them on the garage or the house. But I'm all about electric vehicles, and I've explored the alternative fuels, but I haven't seen anyone growing corn, for example, and using less fuel to grow the corn than to run their tractors. So with the sun, there's definitely a gain.
Katera država pa je po vašem mnenju vodilna pri razvoju in uporabi sončne energije?
I would have to say Germany. I see more solar energy, and it's ironic because Germany does not have the most sun. You'd expect Central Africa or someplace like that, but I see I'm involved a little bit with Sun Power Corporation, and there are more large-scale installations in Germany than anywhere else in the world.
Ali bomo lahko torej v prihodnosti sončno energijo uporabljali tudi na področju potniškega letalskega prometa?
Well, it's certainly possible, but not at the speeds people are used to traveling. At the moment, people are used to traveling in a relatively small, pressurized airliner, and if they were willing to go more slowly on a more luxurious sky cruise, for example, it would be, I think, wonderful. I've studied the flights of the early Zeppelins and Pan Am Clippers across the oceans, and it was more like traveling on an ocean liner, much more luxurious. I would really like to do that, and that's certainly possible. It just may not be economically feasible considering how time is money and everybody's in such a hurry. So.